AI Presentation Tools Comparison. Welcome to this presentation on AI-powered tools for creating modern, efficient, and professional presentations. Today, we'll explore the leading platforms that simplify slide creation, automate design, and enhance storytelling, helping individuals and teams work smarter, not harder. Gamma. Let's start with Gamma, known for its versatility and modern output. It allows users to generate presentations, documents, or even web-style decks directly from prompts, files, or URLs. The results are sleek and interactive, perfect for storytelling and sharing online. However, customization is limited, so deep branding or heavy graphics may require manual adjustment afterward. Beautiful.ai. Beautiful.ai focuses on automated design and consistency. Its smart templates dynamically adjust layouts, ensuring every slide looks professional and cohesive. This makes it ideal for businesses needing branded decks with minimal effort. The trade-off is that it offers less flexibility for custom visuals, and advanced branding options are part of premium plans. Canva, Magic Design. Next is Canva's Magic Design. Canva is widely recognized for its ease of use and visually rich templates. Magic Design can instantly generate stylish templates from your input, a great option for quick edits or social media-ready slides. But remember, many advanced features and assets are behind paywalls, and larger decks may need manual fine-tuning. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot seamlessly integrates AI into PowerPoint and the wider Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It can turn Word documents, meeting notes, or bullet points into professional slide decks in seconds. This is ideal for enterprise users already using Microsoft tools. However, it does require a Microsoft 365 Copilot Pro subscription. Slidesai.io plus I. Slidesai.io and plus I are great add-ons for Google Slides users. They convert long-form text or documents into polished slides, streamlining the creation process for educators and content writers. While quick and effective, the visual polish is often basic, and more advanced features are locked behind paid versions. Pitch. Pitch is designed for teamwork and collaboration, making it perfect for sales and investor decks. It allows multiple users to collaborate in real time while maintaining stylish layouts. Its polished templates are excellent for presenting to clients or funders. In short, Pitch combines teamwork with design excellence. Prezi. Prezi stands out for its dynamic, zoom-based storytelling. It enables non-linear presentations where you can zoom in and out of ideas, making it very engaging for teaching or training. However, its cinematic style may not fit all professional or corporate settings, so consider your audience before using it. SlideGo.ai. SlideGo.ai offers a simple, free way to create slides from prompts or text themes. It supports both Google Slides and PowerPoint exports, making it accessible and flexible. Though its features are more limited compared to paid tools, it's an excellent starting point for quick, no-cost slide creation. SlideBean. Finally, SlideBean is tailored for startups and fundraisers. It uses structured templates and AI guidance to help founders quickly build investor-ready decks. While niche, it's highly effective for business pitches where clarity and professionalism matter most. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI presentation tools now cover every need, from storytelling and collaboration to brand consistency and startup pitching. The key is choosing a tool that fits your workflow and customization level. Whether you want speed, design control, or dynamic storytelling, there's an AI tool ready to help you communicate your ideas more effectively.